Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2 and setting it up for the first time, transferring my account from my Switch OLED over to the Switch 2. So guys, you will now see we have a separate camera set up so you can see me unbox this live and we will see exactly what's inside. Okay guys, here is the box now. Here it is. Super excited. So we're going to get right into it. Of course, we've blurred out my address. I'm not that dumb to show the internet or where I live. So we are literally gonna pierce open and hopefully here we go. I've got the little, there we go. Oh, here we go, guys. Oh ho ho, here we go. Okay. Oh my god, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is, guys. Nintendo Switch 2. Oh my god, let's get it out of the box. Okay guys, here it is. It's here. Nintendo Switch 2. I'm so excited. This comes out today. Well, technically, it comes out tomorrow. But when you're watching this, it's out today. Yeah, boy, got it 24 hours early. Let's go. Oh, okay. Ah. Oh my god, look at that beauty. Will you look at that beauty right there. Oh my god. So, let's take out the console itself. I'm going to be really careful not to break anything. Oh my, look at that. Wow. I should be wearing gloves for this, but... No, let's leave it in its wrapping. Let's get everything out, and then we will... The nude... That feels so much better in my hand. Now, I have quite big hands, or quite normal, and that feels so much better. In my hands. So we have two Joy-Cons. Oh, can we get this one out? Oh, there we go. A red one and a blue one, which is just... Okay, of course we have all of the pamphlets, all the information there about the Switch 2. I'm not going to read them because it's a Switch 2. We know how to deal with it. We already know that. We already know how to deal with the Switch 2. Okay, so here is the controller grip. We will just leave that in the box for now. Oh, here it... Oh! Oh! It's completely separate. It is a completely separate unit. It doesn't have a dedicated power supply. Does that mean any USB power plug can just work on the Switch too? Maybe, we'll see. We'll put that there for a minute. We'll put that there. Oh, USB-C to USB-C, so that should be like charging it. Oh. Here's the... I can get it out of the box. And here it is, guys. We will, of course, set this up to a capture card and show you the menus and everything in this video. Right here. Oh my god, it is a chunky boy. That is a very, very chunky boy. I will show it on the big camera as well. That is an incredibly smooth chunky boy. I'm guessing you just... Yeah, just like... Oh, it's not attached. That I don't really like. That it's not attached. Like with the old Switch, where it was attached. And then you just clicked it back in. But yeah, you got all your ports there. HDMI, USB-C and Ethernet. Right guys, there's one thing left to do. Let's get it plugged in. Okay guys, now we're going to look at the console itself. You can see it here now. Right here. I will angle it better. You know, we're still new office, we're still waiting. But again, another video, another time. So here it is guys. And here are the Joy-Cons. Again, not opened it yet. It's still here. We're now going to unwrap the console. Attempt not to drop it. Again guys, this has a screen protector built in. Oh hello, it's me. Built in. You do not want to peel it off. There's a layer on the screen. And it's not an OLED screen, it's an LCD panel. But there is still a protected layer on the panel itself. You can get another screen protector on top. I will eventually get cases and stuff for it. So, because obviously, I'm not letting this get damaged. It's still like my daily driver handheld for like Fortnite and Minecraft and stuff. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, here it is. Switch 2. Nintendo Switch 2. It's here. I have it in my hands. Now, is there power? Has it come with power already? Does it have all? Has it already got some juice in it? Oh, guys, it's got juice. The first power on. Oh, it's telling me to connect the controllers. Okay, so So would I be able to... Oh no, this is just... I won't be able to put it on the... so it won't work with the capture card yet, so I have to snap the controllers on. Right, okay, so... That's one. Also, does it activate the controllers then? Because they don't have any kind of life in them. Like, if I like, there's nothing, there's no life in the controllers, so what do I just... Ooh! And for you guys, on this camera, we just, the Switch 2. Again guys, additional setup. I'm going to set this up and I'll be back with you
tomorrow.
Okay guys, here we are in the Switch 2 menus. So guys, we are going to see what has changed. Of course, we're downloading Fortnite, of course. But I want to see the actual shop. What's in the new Nintendo shop? And let's see if we can pick up some games. Wish list, oh. I would love this. I have it on my other Switch, which has been... Please bring this one back. Come on. Nintendo Switch 2 compatibility information. Supported. No. It's supported. Oh. Anyway. The one thing that I know Fortnite has a Switch 2 release. Wait, open virtual game card. Each shop will be closed and virtual game will be displayed. Okay. Load to another console. What? No. Load to this console. This console Stampy would you switch like. Oh, hang on. This ain't gonna work. Load to another. This isn't gonna work. It's downloading, yes, but I set it to download. As soon as I booted it up, the capture card. That was hell to get working. Literal hell to get working with this. But anyway, let's check the settings. Let's see. Oh. Cannot be enabled when connected to TV. Ah, that is a shame. Internet, we're connected by a wired connection because this Switch has Ethernet. Users, controllers, accessibility. Oh no, I want to come out. No, I want to come out of this menu. How do I leave? Oh, this is like the user manual. What first came up. I got to hit home. There we go. We're out of it. Right. So I heard that this can go up to 1080p. So where is that display? HDR, TV resolution. 1080p. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, it goes up to 90. Okay, we'll back it back to 100. There we go. Screen burning. I'll keep that on. I think it protects it from something. Some TV models may be unsuitable for this feature. Please check the HDMI settings on your TV. Yeah, my monitor can only do 1080p. I am soon getting 4K monitors, but not yet. But that is a soon upgrade we're doing soon in the new office. So HDR, there's no HDR yet, but you know, soon. The Mii's themes. The black. Yes, that is so much better. Please give us better themes, Nintendo. Please. We want better themes. Thank you, Nintendo. Notifications, yeah. System. Stampy Switch 2, yay. Console lock. You will need to set a console lock pin. Oh, you can lock the console. Oh, that is so good. Stop charging above 90. Yeah, we'll keep that on. Now, because this is a launch day Switch, they have said that, of course, these early model Switches could have some sort of exploits. But Nintendo have said if they detect anything to do with modifications that's not been authorized, it's being turned into a fancy paperweight. It's getting turned into a brick. So, we'll sadly not be modding the Switch 2. Automatic software updates, I'm going to say no, just in case there are some. No, we're going to keep it on. And formatting options, you can like delete, reset the keyboards, format your SD cards, restore from factory settings. Of course, I've just turned this on. So I need to figure out how to get my games on here. I think I have to remove the Switch Lite from my account. Because literally it doesn't let me do anything else. I do to re-download software. It does this virtual game card stuff where... Look, there you go. That's the old Fortnite for Nintendo Switch. That's the old Fortnite. And don't get excited. I tried to trick it by letting me download some DLC, but it didn't download it. Saying, oh, you got the OG Minecraft. I don't. It's downloadable. It's downloadable content. Load to another console. Other. Here we go. Hide the view details. eShop. Yeah, this is just I think how this is working is because there's a Switch Lite linked to my Nintendo account. That's what's blocking it. It thinks I want to load it onto the Lite when I want to load it onto this Switch. In order to load a virtual game card to this console, it will need to be paired with Stampy's console shown below. The pairing process only needs to be completed once. I know, but I don't want to pair the Lite with this one. Anyway, we'll figure it out. I want to try Minecraft on the Switch 2. I want to try Fortnite. We might be streaming it over on TikTok later, so come check me out over on TikTok. Links will be in the description. But yeah, we've got Nintendo Online. I will be getting online again. I will get it again. Just so we can have all the online features. You can't even... let's bring this down now so you can see it. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. I was blocking half the screen. So we have the Nintendo Online. We have Game Chat. We have the news. We have the eShop. We have the album. We have Game Share. We have controllers. We have virtual game cards. We have the system settings. And we have the power settings. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give us a big thumbs up. Greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new. This is coming out on the launch day of Nintendo Switch 2. So we'll be making so much content on the Switch 2. Bringing you videos. We'll be bringing you streams. We'll be doing all sorts during the first week of launch. Of course, Nintendo will be working on updates, fixing things. I'm pretty sure that virtual game card issue with the Lite, I just have to remove it from my account. It should be fine to download. Or I just have to import everything from the PC over. I don't know. I'll figure it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.